Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English with Daniel. This is episode 2, and we're really happy you're here. And of course, Sarah's here with me again. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, listeners. We're so excited you're joining us again. And hey, before we start, please subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. It helps us more than you know.
Yes. Subscribing, liking, sharing, all of that helps our little podcast grow. Okay, Sarah, how are you today?
I'm good. A little hungry, which is dangerous.
Dangerous for who? Me?
For everyone. But yes, I'm good. My week was interesting.
Every time you say interesting, I know chaos happened. What did you do?
Okay, listen. I went to the supermarket. Normal, right?
So far, yes.
I only needed 2 things, bread and cereal. I came home with bread and cat food.
Sarah, you don't even have a cat.
Exactly. The lady at the supermarket looked so confused when I bought it.
Useful vocabulary. My week was chaotic.
Very chaotic.
Okay, let's start today's topic. Weekend plans. People ask this all the time. What are your plans for the weekend?
And today we'll teach you easy ways to answer that question.
Here are some simple phrases. I'm going to relax. I might stay in. I might go out. I'm planning to hang out with friends. I want to take a break.
And my personal favorite? I plan to do absolutely nothing.
That's a great plan. Okay, Sarah, what are your weekend plans?
Well, my original plan was to go hiking on Saturday.
Wow, look at you. Sporty Sarah.
Calm down. It was just a small hike. But change of plans.
Of course there was.
My friend canceled at the last minute.
Vocabulary. Canceled means the plan is not happening anymore.
Yes. So then I tried to reschedule with another friend.
Vocabulary. Reschedule means to change the time or day.
But she said, "Oh, I'd love to, but I have to take my dog to the groomer."
Good excuse, honestly.
So now my plan is, I might stay in and watch a movie.
That sounds perfect. Quiet, cozy, and hopefully puddle-free.
Let's hope.
What about me? Well, I thought I would relax this weekend, but then I remembered something.
Oh no. What did you remember?
I promised my cousin I would help him move into a new apartment.
That's not relaxing at all.
No, it's the opposite. I will not take a break. I will not unwind. I will lift heavy boxes for hours.
Aw, poor Daniel.
Thank you. Useful English phrase. I'm helping someone move.
It means, I am sacrificing my weekend.
Correct.
Speaking of weekends, remember when we planned to study English at a cafe?
Oh no. Yes, tell them.
So, Saturday morning. Beautiful plan. Meet at a cafe. Study English. Be productive adults.
That was the dream.
But Daniel was 10 minutes late.
Only 10.
And Daniel forgot his notebook.
Okay, that part is true.
And I forgot my pen.
We were off to a great start.
The cafe was full. No seats. Then it started raining outside.
So we ended up studying in your car.
Yes, in my tiny car. Rain hitting the windows like a dramatic movie scene.
So here's useful vocabulary. Ended up, meaning the final result of a situation.
We ended up studying in the car.
And honestly, it wasn't bad.
It was fun.
Let's teach some phrases. 1. I'm going to stay in, meaning stay at home. Example, I'm going to stay in and rest. 2. I'm going to go out, meaning leave home for something fun. Example, I'm going to go out with friends.
3. I want to take a break, meaning rest. Example, I want to take a break this weekend. 4. I'm planning to hang out, meaning spend time with friends. Example, I'm planning to hang out on Sunday.
And 2 very natural expressions. 5. I might, meaning not sure. Example, I might go hiking. 6. I need to do errands, meaning small tasks like shopping. Example, I need to do errands on Saturday.
And one of my favorites, 7. I just want to chill, meaning relax casually. Example, I just want to chill at home.
And before we continue, if you're enjoying this episode, please like the video. It helps the algorithm show our podcast to more English learners.
And tell us in the comments, what are your weekend plans? We always read what you write.
Okay, everyone. Repeat after us slowly. This helps you practice speaking.
This weekend, I'm going to relax.
I might stay in.
I might go out.
I want to take a break.
I'm planning to hang out with friends.
My plans changed.
We rescheduled.
I ended up staying home.
Great job.
Sarah, what's your dream weekend?
Oh, easy. Wake up late, make pancakes, watch a movie, take a nap, eat more pancakes.
That sounds amazing. My dream weekend is simple. Nice weather. A long walk. A good book. No responsibilities.
And 0 heavy boxes.
Correct. Absolutely 0.
Okay, everyone, that's our episode for today. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
And now, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. What are your weekend plans? We really love reading your answers.
And please, subscribe, like, and share this episode with a friend who wants to learn English.
It helps us grow so much.
And tell us where you're listening from. We love seeing all the countries.
Thank you for spending time with us. See you in episode 3.
Bye, everyone.